Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. I hope you all having an amazing day. If you reworking on your car or just want to learn how to spot some serious issues before they become a big problem, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into one of the most common car issues you might face: bad wheel bearings. These little parts are essential for your car's safety. So let's break down how to recognize when they failing. Segment 1. Noises while driving. First up, one of the easiest signs of a bad wheel bearing is hearing strange noises while you are driving. Think growling, humming, or even rumbling sounds. These noises will usually get louder the faster you go. Here's a pro tip. If you are hearing the sound, try turning the steering wheel left or right. If the noise gets louder when you turn right, then it's likely that the wheel bearing on the left side is the culprit. Why? Because when you turn right, more weight is shifted to the left side, putting extra pressure on that bearing. Segment 2. Loose steering wheel. Next, a loose steering wheel is another red flag. If your wheel bearing is worn out, you might notice a lot of play in your steering wheel. This will be especially noticeable when you are driving on bumpy roads or uneven surfaces. The more worn the bearing gets, the looser your steering wheel will feel, which isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. Segment 3. Steering wheel vibrations. Another clear sign is vibrations in your steering wheel. If your car shakes or wobbles as you accelerate, chances are the wheel bearing is causing those vibrations. This happens because the bearing is worn out, making your wheels wobble as they spin. And because everything is connected, the shaking gets transferred right to your steering wheel. Segment 4. ABS light on. Lastly, if your ABS light turns on, it could be because of a bad wheel bearing. Some vehicles have ABS sensors that are connected directly to the wheel hub, where the bearing sits. When the bearing fails, it can mess with those sensors, causing the ABS light to turn on. Definitely something you don't want to ignore. So, if you hearing strange noises, feeling vibrations, or noticing a loose steering wheel, it might be time to check your wheel bearings. And if you ready to replace them, don't worry, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching this quick breakdown here on Auto Repair. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.